Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Keshri. In this session, we will read about line breaking tag and horizontal line tag. Now, line breaking. If we want to break line after some sentence and display the next sentence in another line, then we use BR tag. BR means line breaking tag. This tag is an empty tag. Okay. Now, open your text editor and write here HTML head title, give a title, line breaking. Now close title tag. Now close head tag, open body tag, right here welcome to HTML. Now write HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Now close body tag and close HTML tag. Save it with name line.html. Now run this line.html. See, both line welcome to HTML and HTML stands for hypertext markup language is displaying on the same line, but in our text editor both are in different line. Then how we can display this both line to different line on our web browser? Right here simply BR. Now save it and refresh it. See, the both sentence written in same line previously, but now it is displaying in different line because of BR tag. Here we did not close BR tag. See, we did not close BR tag because it is an empty tag. Okay. Now move to horizontal line. It is used to give horizontal line. For this we use HR tag. The HR tag creates a line from the current position in the document to the right margin and breaks the line accordingly. It is an empty tag. Now see what is use of HR. Right here HR once. Now save it and refresh it. See, this is a line. This line is drawn with the help of HR tag. Okay, means HR tag is used to draw a horizontal line. Now see, there are some attributes supported by HR tag. First one is align tag. This align tag specifies the alignment of horizontal line, which is left, right or center. You can also specify the size of horizontal line using size attribute. Width attribute specifies the width of the horizontal line and color attribute specifies the color of horizontal line. Now see, right here write size equals to 20%. Okay, save it and refresh it. See, the size of this line is now 20%. Okay, Now write width equals to 50%. Save it and refresh it. See, the width of this line is now 50%. Okay. Now if you want to align this line to the right side of the web page, then right here align equals to right. Now save it, refresh it. See, this line is now went to the right of the web page. If you want to move this line to left, then right here left, save it and run it. See, now this line is in left of the web page. You can also change the color of this line. Right here, color equals to red. Save it and run it. See, now the color of this line is red. Change it again. Right here, green. See, we have a green line now. Okay. If you have any problem related to this BR and HR tag, then please comment on the comment section. Thank you.